back to my channel. We are here trying to make a neon cat, and we are here with Callie. And guys, I lied about my name. My name is actually Rudy.
Yeah. It was kind of hard to say her name a lot. It was not used to it. So yeah, sometimes she calls me, by the way, Sophia for no reason. So if she ever calls me Sophia, don't mind it, okay? She just calls me Sophia sometimes for no reason.
So let's start making this mega cat, I'm making a mega cat, because I already have a neon cat. I named him Kobe because it reminds me from my cat, and I still have my cat, but when he dies, at least I have his memory. So yeah, makes me really sad, because I love Kobe so much.
Well, every animal has to, so I'm telling you guys, the bad thing about having pets.
Yeah, Larry gets sad. Well, at least Kobe has a lot of years to be dead, right? And like,
yeah.
ears
Yeah, so,
take long.
Are you gonna tell them the news about Kobe, or are you gonna?
Oh, sure. Kobe got his voice back.
Kobe got his voice back?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yay! Kobe
Yeah.
had lost his voice, and I had no idea that he had gotten his voice back.
Because my mom, she forgot to put that Kobe out of the house.
Okay, well, now are you finally gonna play some?
I already played. I'm trying to make the neon while talking.
Oh, okay.
Well, now let's just get my Kobe needs food, so let's go downstairs and give him food. My butt is so big.
What?
My butt is so big. I'm sorry.
Well, guys, I will be right back. Meanwhile, you're just gonna talk with Dia.
Rudy Nina.
Sorry, I got used to the name.
Okay, good job. Because I told her when I was born, I told her my name was Zia, but I lied to her. I know, but I lied too much to her. Because I just like lying. Guys, but for no reasons, go subscribe to Callie Cream, or something will happen to your nightmares. Really bad. So yeah, let's just go like in this thing. Let's just get up my little Kobe. Get in here. Let's just like come in. Bite tea for my Kobe. Now he has to drink it. Okay, now we need to go to the school. And I'm really looking for unicorns because I'm trying to make neon uni. So, trading right cat. Alright, uni. Cool. Who's trading ride potion? Someone's trading ride potion, so I need to trade. My only offer is this for the ride potion, cause I'm not trading much. Let's see if they accept. They're never gonna accept this trade. Like, let's see. See. Well, let's just go to the school, cause we're not here for that. I'm sorry, guys. I just my dream pet is a kangaroo. I don't know what, but people think I'm poor. I'm sad. They think I'm poor. I'm sad, but okay. So let's, Kobe, I'm gonna leave you here. Drop Pep. I'm gonna drop you. Oh wait, I need to Kobe, you need to stay here. I'll pick you up later. Bye, Kobe. Okay, so guys, let's just go. Callie? Callie?
Oh, sorry, I was doing something.
You just joined the game.
Yes, I was trying to surprise you. We're doing the game.
Your mom lets you?
Our one. Yeah.
Um,
Look. I
look.
asked her to like, okay.
Hey, guess what? I made my young cat now. Just kidding. I'm still making it, but this is my young cat. And Kobe's so cute, and she's gonna be mega. Why am I telling her a she? She's a boy. Like, I always forget. Kobe was about to finish school. Sophie, you know you're naked.
You're calling my name. No, yes, I know I'm naked.
Callie,
Yes, I know
you know you're naked.
yes, I do. I do.
Okay, well, bye. I need to make my young cat.
I do.
Okay. Oh, someone has. Hey, Callie, I'm gonna give you a surprise, cause I love you so much.
Aww.
Now, where are you? Okay, there. I need to trade you. Trade me. Can you not even put your trades into friends, Nina? Now I need to wait. Well, can you trade me, please?
I would take. It doesn't let while I'm shaking sometimes. I put it in.
Well, please trade me. Oh, finally. Thank you, Mommy. So,
Okay. Do you need anything? I'm trying to make a neon frog. Thank you.
oops.
Thank you so much. This.
You're welcome. I didn't know what to say for a second.
Okay.
And,
This one.
is it okay if Kobe sleeps here? Yes or no?
Oh, sure.
Oh, thank you. Please, dog
Okay.
for free.
Now let's take Mochi out, which I need to change her name to.
Trading to cat. I'm about to get my golden egg. I'm so happy I'm about to get my golden egg. I'm in the rocket racer. I'm in the rocket racer.
That's cool.
I think I'm going to get my golden egg when it's my birthday.
Yeah, your birthday.
What? What are you talking about? It's not in a month. It's in 2 weeks.
True. But it's next month. Not
What?
that it's in one. Wait, can I join my family so I don't need to take you out?
Sure. And can you please help me take care of Kobe too?
Yeah, wait.
And I will help you take care of Froggy too.
Okay. Both take.
So I take care of your Froggy and you take care of my Kobe. Okay, here.
No, but we both have to take care of ours. I take care of my.
It's thirsty. It's thirsty. It's thirsty. It's thirsty. Where are you, thingy? There you are. See, I'm taking good care of it. I love working as a team.
Stroller. I gave all my strollers to you.
Oh wait, let me give you some one. If I even have. Oh yes, I have one and it's double, so I can give you one.
No, can you not give me a double one?
No,
Well, sure, I already have a double one.
It
but I wanted
says-
a better stroller.
it says it's not. It's.
Wait, can you just put babies to take care of you?
Oh sure. I'm gonna get Moshi for you, okay? I got Moshi. Okay, here I dropped. Okay, and let me be a baby, okay? And get Cope, cause when I'm a baby, my Oh no, not a neon cat. No, Nina. I said no to neon cat. Oh, there we go. That. So I'm a baby. I'm a baby here. I'm a baby here. Mommy, do you even care? I'm a baby here.
Never.
Mommy, look, I'm in the middle of the queen here. Wait, no, my Kobe needs to shower. I'd shower him here.
That's not Kobe, that's Mochi, excuse me.
I'm sorry, I get confused with both of the pets. Okay. No, I don't want to go. I'll go here because I don't want to get caught. And you know what? I'm too skinny, so I can do. No, I'm too fat. Sophie, you just glitched me out of the world. Now I'm dead here.
And you called me Sophie again.
I'm sorry, but like now you. I need a teleporter.
Let me go put them over here.
Nina, you don't even care. I almost died.
Kobe and Mochi, so you're welcome.
I just almost died. What do you mean? Well, I'm taking the piano. Now leave, Mommy. I want to do this by myself. I don't need no one.
Okay,
Yes.
then go take care of your Kobe by yourself.
No, okay, Mommy. I'm sorry. Mommy, can you help me how to do this? I don't understand this. Okay, I did it, Mommy. Bye. Okay, so take care of Kobe and you take care of me too, right?
No, I will take care of all of you.
That's what I
It's really
said.
hard. It's really hard to take care of 3
I'm gonna get a sandwich and eat it.
Yeah.
Because sandwich is healthy for me. And I want to get healthy.
So where do you want to go? Do you want to house or?
Mommy, I want to go to a park. I said I want to go to park. I get to go to park. Understand?
Okay, you can go by yourself if you want because right now
Yes.
I'm going to be doing some stuff. And
Mommy, I just died. Mommy, I just died in the stair. I just broke a bone. Can you help me?
Don't worry.
Mommy, I'm too fat. My fat legs.
It's okay. I already broke all my bones.
But
And you should
I
break
can't
your
walk,
legs.
Mommy.
Don't walk because
Mommy, I can't walk. I can just clap and just sit. That's the only thing I can do. Mommy, I can't walk.
get a wheelchair.
I don't. Mommy, you're not my real mommy.
Yeah, I know.
Callie, wanna end this video right here?
Sure. We can end this video right here because, well, I think that's enough today.
Yeah. So, guys, we're gonna end this video right here. I hope you subscribe and like this video. So, bye.
Bye.
I hope you have good luck when you poop.